Enjoy your day. Enjoy the way you change. See the way you change every morning, day by day. Our life is full of opportunities, and you have every chance to make the best of it. Take a scan. There is no endless wait or pain. Consult with your dentist and find the best smile you can have. Dentists will be here, assisting your case. Draw the way you want to smile. All you need is to put RAYSmiler on. Made just for you. Experience the convenience and simplicity. See how beautiful your smile is. See how bright it is. Live your everyday life. Your smile, RAYSmiler.